Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the action cannot be completed because the file is open in COM Surrogate, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable or apply OK and then restart the computer. The next one is to disable data execution prevention. So we have a command for this. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay. Now the last one is to delete the application which is in question. Obviously you can reinstall it later. So to delete any application, right click on the start button, select settings. Now go to apps, go to installed apps, and then let us say it is this application. Click on the three dots associated with it, uninstall and then uninstall once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.